How to make organic pesticide. Organic pesticides preserve the safety and integrity of your plants without having to resort to dangerous chemicals. They also reduce the impact your garden has on the environment and local ecosystems. Finally, organic pesticides are much easier on your budget than traditional pest control products. Here are 5 ways to create your own organic pesticides using household items. Things you will need: 10-15 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup mineral oil, 1 jalapeno pepper small, 1/4 cup vinegar, blender, spray bottle. Begin your organic pesticide by adding 10-15 cloves of garlic to a blender or food processor. Process the garlic until chopped fine. Add the garlic to a glass canning jar and cover it with 1/4 cup mineral oil. Let the garlic infuse the oil for at least 8-10 hours. This is the base for your organic pesticide. Pour garlic and oil back into the blender and add 3 cups of water. Process until the oil and water emulsify blend together. Garlic makes a great organic pesticide because it kills harmful insects, but does not kill pests which are beneficial to your garden. Add 1 whole jalapeno pepper to the garlic mixture and blender and process until liquefied. Jalapenos make a great organic pesticide because they discourage animals from eating your plants, and deter many insects. Add 1/4 cup vinegar to the mixture and process until blended in. Vinegar works as an organic pesticide by making the soil and plant surfaces slightly acidic so pests don't lay eggs where it's sprayed. It also kills several variety of small pests. You can use vinegar alone as an organic pesticide in a pinch. Fill a clean spray bottle halfway with water and halfway with your organic pesticide. Shake well and spray on plants and soil in the garden. Apply the organic pesticide once or twice a week, or as needed. Tips warnings. Spray lightly. Too thick and too frequent coatings could cause your veggies to taste like garlic and peppers. Don't touch your eyes after handling garlic or jalapeno peppers. It burns.